Good morning. I hope everyone has had a fantastic day one. We have an amazing day two and day three in store for us. In the next 5 minutes, I want to share with you two things. One is how we can share all these amazing videos with your colleagues. Two is what we've done to help enable mutually exothermic interactions. So first, we want to make it as easy as possible for you to take these great talks and share them with your colleagues. As you've been seeing at the end of each morning and afternoon, we've been posting all of the plenary links. All the links that are in the video library are there for you to share. They're all at the video library at videos.itrevolution.com. They have all the slides as well as talk transcripts. Our goal is to make the video library the best place to watch DevOps Enterprise talks and for technology leaders to learn. We've copied all of the talks in the history of DevOps Enterprise into the video library. So as of the beginning of this conference, that was 855 talks. We've added talk transcripts, all the slides, as well as information on speakers such as organization names and titles. We've also added playlists. We've been soliciting the program committee to share some of their favorite topics and talks, and we invite you to do the same, just like let Alex Broderick Forster know. And all these talks are freely available. All you need to do is register with an email address, and that will let you watch up to 10 talks per month, except for the duration of this conference, where we've capped it to 5. So if you want to watch more than that, we've made organizational passes available so that everyone in your organization can watch as many talks as they want. And people are. We found that people with organizational passes, they're watching 5 times as many videos as the broader population. So let's talk about creating a mutually exothermic community that is actively helping each other. I've asked every speaker to end with a slide that says, here's what we don't know how to do, or best yet, here's the help we're looking for. If you happen to have that sort of expertise, offer it to them, and hopefully this will be the beginning of many mutually exothermic interactions. We've more than doubled the amount of networking time to create as many opportunities for these serendipitous, awesome interactions. And my advice is use this time well. It has been my experience and my observation that the best conference experiences tend to involve planning and being very intentional. Network is more than just being friendly. It's about being very specific about what you are looking for and finding the right people to help you achieve your goals. Sometimes it's finding with people with specific expertise, or people with specific connections, or helpers, or fellow travelers. So use the time well. So here's the help that we are looking for. This is Courtney Kistler on the program committee and CTO at Zulily. We are looking for phenomenal technology leaders to share their stories that they can co-present with their business counterparts who know that the work you are doing is important because it advances the most important objectives of the organization. If you can share such an experience report, please email me. I'm Gene K at itrevolution.com. All right, Jeff, over to you.